Imagine walking into a home filled with the sweet fragrance of beautiful flowers, but without needing any direct sunlight. Many people believe that you need a bright, sunny home to enjoy the beauty of flowering plants. But the truth is, some plants don't just survive indoors, they thrive. They add a touch of elegance, a pop of color, and a breath of fresh air to your space, even without direct sunlight. Today I'm going to share with you 5 stunning flowering plants that grow beautifully indoors, even without direct sunlight. Our first flower is the peace lily, a plant as serene and elegant as its name suggests. Just picturing its graceful dark green leaves and its pure white flowers known as spathes brings a sense of calm and tranquility. And the best part is, peace lilies don't need direct sunlight to thrive. In fact, they prefer low to moderate light, making them perfect for those darker corners of your home that need a little life. But the peace lily is more than just a pretty face. It's also a natural air purifier. That's right, this plant doesn't just look good, it does good. Just water it once a week, or when the soil feels dry to the touch, and it will reward you with stunning blooms all year long. Next, let's talk about a plant that's as low maintenance as it is beautiful, the Kalanchoe. If you're looking for a plant that practically takes care of itself while adding a burst of color to your home, then the Kalanchoe is your perfect match. This delightful succulent produces clusters of vibrant, cheerful flowers in a rainbow of colors, from pink and red to yellow and orange. Each cluster is like a miniature bouquet, radiating joy and positive energy, and the best part is, these blooms can last for months. Imagine having a splash of vibrant color brightening up your home for weeks on end with minimal effort. One of the things that makes this plant so special is its ability to store water in its thick, fleshy leaves. This means you don't have to water it very often, just when the soil is dry to the touch. The Kalanchoe is perfect for busy plant lovers, who may not always remember to water their plants regularly. Now, if you're looking to add a touch of luxury to your home, let me introduce you to the Anthurium, also known as the flamingo flower. This plant is not just a decorative piece, it's a statement of elegance and sophistication. With its waxy, heart-shaped blooms in vibrant shades of red, pink or white, the Anthurium exudes an air of exotic elegance and sophistication. These colors are not just eye-catching but also bring a sense of warmth and vibrancy to any room. Each bloom is like a work of art, a testament to nature's ability to create beauty in the most unexpected forms. Arranged artistically, these flowers can transform any space into a gallery of natural wonders. Imagine this. A single perfect heart-shaped bloom emerging from a backdrop of deep green leaves. It's a sight that captures the essence of tranquility and natural beauty. Its waxy surface seems to shimmer and glow, as if lit from within. This unique texture adds an extra layer of allure, making it a focal point in any setting. It's a sight that instantly elevates any space, adding a touch of drama and refinement. Whether placed in a living room or a study, it never fails to impress. And the best part is the Anthurium thrives in low, indirect light, making it a perfect choice for bedrooms, bathrooms, or any other room that doesn't get a lot of natural sunlight. Its adaptability makes it a versatile addition to your home. This stunning plant also loves humidity, which makes it a natural fit for bathrooms or kitchens. Its love for moisture means it will flourish in these environments, adding a touch of nature where you least expect it. And as if its beauty and easy care weren't enough, the Anthurium is also one of NASA's top air-purifying plants. It's not just a pretty face, it's a hard-working plant that improves your indoor air quality. It silently works to cleanse the air you breathe, making your home not just more beautiful, but healthier too. The Anthurium truly is a gift that keeps on giving. Whether for yourself or a loved one, it's a present that brings continuous joy and elegance. Let's move on to a plant that's like a surprise gift every year, the Christmas cactus. As its name suggests, this festive plant bursts into a profusion of bright pink, red or white flowers just in time for the holidays, filling your home with cheer and warmth. It's like nature's way of celebrating the season with you, adding a splash of color to your holiday decor. Imagine, as the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, your Christmas cactus bursts into bloom, its delicate flowers a welcome reminder of the joy and warmth of the season. It's a sight that can lift your spirits and bring a smile to your face, even on the coldest winter days. But the Christmas cactus is more than just a holiday plant. It's a living heirloom that can be passed down through generations, each year bringing new memories and blooms. This easy-to-care-for succulent is a true survivor, capable of living for decades with proper care. Its resilience makes it a perfect companion for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. One of the reasons the Christmas cactus is so long-lived is its ability to thrive in low-light conditions. It adapts well to various environments, making it a versatile addition to any home. It doesn't need a sunny windowsill to flourish, making it a perfect choice for homes with limited natural light. This adaptability ensures it can brighten up even the darkest corners of your living space. With its easy care, long lifespan, and cheerful blooms, it's no wonder the Christmas cactus holds a special place in the hearts of plant lovers everywhere. It's a plant that not only beautifies your home, but also becomes a cherished part of your holiday traditions. And finally, let's talk about a plant that often intimidates people but shouldn't: the orchid. With their elegant stems and exquisitely formed blooms in a breathtaking array of colors and patterns, orchids have a reputation for being delicate and difficult to care for. But this reputation is only half the story. But I'm here to tell you that orchids are much tougher than they look. These plants have evolved to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Imagine this: a single stem, gracefully arching, adorned with a cascade of intricate, almost unreal flowers. It's like having a piece of living art in your home. Each bloom is a marvel of nature's artistry, a testament to the beauty that can be found in even the most unexpected places. The details in each petal are simply mesmerizing. And the best part is, these beauties can bloom for months with minimal care. Yes, you heard that right, months of stunning blooms with just a little bit of attention. Orchids actually thrive in low, indirect light, making them perfect for homes that don't get a lot of direct sunlight. They are adaptable and can fit into various indoor environments. They prefer their environment to be a bit humid, so consider placing your orchid on a tray filled with pebbles and water to increase the humidity around the plant. A small humidifier can also do wonders. When it comes to watering, orchids are very forgiving. They don't need to be watered every day, which makes them low maintenance. Just water your orchid once a week, allowing the water to drain completely from the pot. This helps prevent root rot and keeps the plant healthy. The orchid is a wonderful reminder that appearances can be deceiving. What looks fragile can be incredibly resilient. What may seem delicate and fragile can actually be incredibly strong and resilient. So don't be afraid to bring an orchid into your home. You might be surprised at just how easy and rewarding it can be to care for one. So which of these stunning indoor flowers will you bring home? Each one offers its own unique beauty and charm, and all of them thrive in low-light conditions, making them perfect for any home. Let me know in the comments which one sparked the most joy for you. And if you love plants and home decor, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy plant care tips that will bring joy to your life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.